Number one, you're scalping and you're not an advanced trader yet. That's the first rule. Number two, we're not using any of the signs that's happening. This is touched so many times. And if you're in a scalp and you made money, why are you not getting out of here? Right. Number three, if you're trading in the first 30 minutes, which this would have wrecked your soul, everyone, that's another rule. The rule, if it holds above VWAP, then you're in a good. If you're in a call and it goes below VWAP, that's not good. So that's the next thing you broke. The next one was Super Trend told you to get out. That's another rule. The other one was it changed colors even, and it told you to get the hell out, and you broke that. That's another rule.
There's one thing here to give you the whole picture, Coach, is that I was down from another trade, so I was playing for this thing to try to bring me back for the day, and I think that's why I held it longer. Is that I was
that's rule
playing
number
for
9.
this trade,
and that was called revenge
trading. Yeah,
yes, that was number 9. Yep.
Nope.
And hopeism, right?
And revenge.
That was number 9. So you have to decide. And I'm telling you now, I would recommend, this is just me, I would recommend you go with the 2-minute, because you can even hear all of us all the time reiterating what's going on, how it looks, what it's doing, where it's going, which helps you identify while you're in it the things that you should be successful on, right? So just like this, you enter this trade, it's above VWAP, super trend's looking good, it's been trending up, right? There's your check. It went up to the upside. You put your stop in right there. As soon as you went green, right? There's your stop. Bang. Goes up. Even if you did not follow the rules about, hard resistance, start to shed some, any of that, doesn't matter. This is a successful trade. There is no more hope. The rest, you could do whatever you want, and this was a successful trade. If you sat in it too long, you ignored all the warning signs, it came back down. You're like, well, coach said as long as it's above VWAP, okay, but I already told you make sure as soon as it's green, you put in your stop. So even if you went rogue and you broke every single rule all the way across this, pops back to the upside, you just got lucky. Here's another opportunity to collect the money. You're still like, I don't know. I don't think so. I'm just going to go rogue. And then it comes back down. Super Trend's alerting you. The colors have changed. Now you're below VWAP. This is now you've turned a winner into a loser trade.
yeah.
But this was a nice trade. Okay. But you're scalping it, and scalping is a different mentality, right? When we're scalping this, we better be paying attention to your channels, the patterns, what it's doing, where it came from, where it's going, why it's going there, and what am I doing with this thing?